Have you ever wondered why stepping into a steaming hot bath can make you feel colder and sleepier? It seems contradictory, but the science behind this paradox explains exactly how heat cools us down. When we soak in hot water, our core body temperature actually rises temporarily, which sounds counterintuitive, but is the first step toward a deeper physiological reset that benefits cardiovascular health. However, this initial heating triggers a powerful cooling mechanism where your body releases excess heat through the skin, effectively lowering your core temperature below normal levels once you step out. This drop in core temperature is exactly what sleep scientists identify as the secret signal that triggers sleepiness, making a warm bath before bed one of the most effective ways to rest. Beyond temperature regulation, the heat causes mast cells in your skin to release histamine to combat inflammation, leaving these immune cells depleted and ready for up to 24 hours afterward. The thermal shock also stimulates circulation and can help lower a fever or provide comfort for chronic inflammation, while salt additions further ease achy muscles and calm irritated skin. So while the water is hot, the result is a cooled body, reduced inflammation, and improved sleep quality, proving that sometimes heating up is the best way to cool down. Next time you are feeling run down or need a better night's rest, try this paradoxical trick. Have you ever used a hot bath to treat a fever? Let me know in the comments below.